Can't get a grip on starting your engine? You might need a new starter handle. The starter handle attaches to the starter rope and gives you a grip to pull on when starting the engine. The most common problem with starter handles is accidental damage, such as a broken handle from dropping the tool. Replacing the starter handle is a repair that you can do yourself, and I'm going to show you how. Replacing the starter handle is an easy repair to do, but there's one trick that if you don't know it, can cause you some grief. And that is to go ahead and tie a knot in the starter rope. This will hold the tension of the starter recoil spring and give you a chance to work on the starter handle. I'll use a pair of needle nose pliers to pull the rope away from the starter handle. You can untie this knot or just simply cut it off if you think you have enough starter rope. With the knot removed, now I can pull the rope away from the starter handle. Now install the new starter handle. I thread the rope through the underside of the handle, comes out the top. I'll just tie a simple overhand knot. And pull the rope back down into the handle. Now I'll just pull the rope back out from the starter and untie the knot that I put it in.